Dazzle Me Lip Tint. I have 2 shades here. Dazzle Me, I think, have 4 to 5 shades ng ganito. Pero ang pinili ko is the Dazzle Me Smiley and the Touchdown. I bought this on Shopee, buy one take one, yung 150 plus nila before. Kaya kumuha ako nitong Dazzle Me. Okay, first one is the Smiley. I use this every day because it looks like natural. Natural lang talaga siya. When you apply it, natural lang yung kanyang effect. Then yung applicator niya, if masobrahan mo ng applicator, yung pag-dot-dot dun sa applicator, you can put as a blush on. Oh, there you go. Diba? Ang ganda. Very natural. Okay. Next is this Dazzle Me Touchdown. Si Touchdown naman, hindi ko na buburahin to kasi almost the same shade but it's a darker shade. There, my son again. You go back to your room. Right? You go back to your room. You want to change it? You go back to your room. It's cold there. You go now. Okay. Bye. Okay. Next one is the Dazzle Me Touchdown. I'm not going to remove the smiley one because they have the same shade. This is the lighter shade and this one is the darker shade. But let's try to apply it. That's the smiley. Very natural. Right? Very natural. So this time we're going to apply the touchdown. Minsan sa sobrang tatak niya or sa sobrang pigmented niya, ito na ginagamit ko kasi sayang. You see the differences? Pero lightweight pa rin siya sa bibig. Unlike the other lip tint. Not to mention, but I have, na minabili ako sa Shopee before, nanghihinayang ako. Kasi, aside from, ang hirap niyang gamitin. Kasi nagbi-build siya. Yung parang nagsettle siya sa gitna. And then, aside from nagsettle sa gitna, yung ngipin mo nalalagyan. Ang hirap niyang i-apply. So, this time, I found a new bestie. A lightweight, affordable lip tint. Where you can use it every day and you can carry kung kahit saan ka man pumunta because it's handy. So, if you're looking for a lightweight, handy, and affordable lip tint, I can recommend you this one. Easy. Parang morena. Ay, hindi morena. You look like mestiza na, di ba? Thank you for watching.